Hi everyone, my name is Bindu. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about all the skills that you need to get a job as a Power BI developer. All of us know that knowing just Power BI isn't enough to get a job as a Power BI developer. So what all skills do you need? What should you learn to get a job? In this video, we are going to know all those. If you're looking for a job as a Power BI developer, the first thing you need to learn is SQL because all the data is stored somewhere in a database. To create any kind of a report, you need data, and all that data is saved in a database. So learning SQL will help you pull the data, extract the data from database and show it in the report. So the first skill you need is SQL. And the next skill is DAX. People hiring you, they would want you to know more of DAX because they want to do advanced calculations using DAX that would be helpful to build the reports. So the second skill would be DAX. The employers who are hiring Power BI developers would also want the developers do the works like importing the data and exporting the data to certain places. So for those, you might need to learn SSIS or DBT. And it's also important for us to learn cloud technologies because the future is cloud. Most of the companies even now are into clouds such as AWS and Azure. So it's important to have knowledge on AWS or Azure. And it's also good for you to learn either Python or R. This is because employers want you to do some automation part, and that's possible through Python and R. So these are all the skills that you may have to learn to get a job as a Power BI developer. The first one is SQL, the next one is DAX, the next is SSIS or DBT, and the next one is learning Python or R. You don't have to be an expert in all of these, but it's good to have a good understanding and good knowledge on all these topics to get a job as a Power BI developer. If you want to learn all those technologies and get a job as a Power BI developer, I'm here to help you. I will be posting a couple of videos every week on all these topics and on all these skills that I've just mentioned. So they will help you get a job in Power BI. Stay tuned.